Who's the lucky guy? Okay, I think we're ready to start fishing. Doesn't feel that fishy today. For some reason I feel like there's no fish. I really want one though. I want a fresh one for the week. And I really want to try Josh Nyland's recipe on, what was it, swordfish. Looks like leg of ham. So that's the plan. If we catch a fish, we're gonna do cured fished tail, I guess. Should be interesting. Oh, that dry was loose. Fish on though. Morning. Oh, and I marked that spot. That's good. Oh. Let's sort that line out later. See what we got. Yep, you're coming up here. Oh, I'm really spotting around my line now. They're all here. I see color. I see spotty color. Big spotty. Should we go for it? Probably should. Just don't want to gaff him. Don't want to. Are you hooked up all right? Oh, yes. Cute fish. Cute fish it is. Now, what do we do with this mess? All right, that was a bit of a hiccup there with a bit of a tangled line. We ended up with a uni knot on our line. That's what we get for not clearing it. But here we go. Look at this beauty. Such a beautiful fish. And this tail here, that's what I'm gonna do my cured fish. I'm gonna see if we can make it happen. So yeah, my mistake there. Did not clear my line properly. I thought I had it at the start, but it was still way out there. So if I just took my time a little bit more and cleared it, I would be pulling in spotty after spotty around that school, but instead we're out here retying our stuff, and yeah, super happy though. And I only need one, so all right, check out they swim. Swims beautifully, that one. Oh, wow. Magical. Magical baits today. Are you going that way? I'm going that way. Thanks, mate. Go. Telling you. It's gonna happen. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Too loose drag, I reckon. It's on though. It's just nothing wrong with the fishing, just the operator. All right, let's get 2 out so that they're defrosted. I'm stepping it up here. this one, I'm going straight home. It'll be perfect. Seem to be able to catch anything in this forest. That's okay though. Pretty happy with that. Bravo. Two in the hatch. There you go, guys. Into this line and then slip that guy up. Let's go. Freaking sweet. Such a nice fish. Just pure sashimi goodness. Fucking GoPro. I don't know if we recorded all that, but here we go. Another fish in the hatch. Should be able to do some nice, sorry about that, cured ham, leg of ham, cured fish. That's what we're doing. All right, I'm going straight in after this, so I'm gonna put some baits on just in case, and then I'm heading back. Anyway, what an epic session. We got what we came for. Well, twice what we came for. But yeah, it's gonna be exciting to try this thing on these with these. You guys get a little rinse. Look at that. This guy's a little bit small. All packed up, ready to go. Exciting times. Man, I'm really getting blown back out to sea. Good time to go in, I think. Got northerly winds coming tomorrow. So northerly winds Friday, Saturday, and yeah, I don't need to go fishing for a few days. We'll have fresh fish now for a week. It's gonna be fun to cook with these guys. How big should we make this? Let's do it there. That's gonna be our leg of ham.